It's copywritten, sewer infected.
Street banging trick.
Oh, yo. Who fucking with me, man? Who fucking with these niggas? Man, I got that work.
It's been a long time coming since I first got down. But I still keep repping off Memphis M-Town, still smoking out the pound. And everybody wanna be the king. So I don't even want the crown, I'm a god. So I'ma let y'all keep the faith. I'm good long as I sell 20,000 in each state. Had a bad bitch that sleep early and eat late. She wanted a piece of the pie, I told her it's a piece of cake. She selling pussy like pickles cause Peter Piper was a trick. But I had to give it to him, that motherfucker was slick. I slick don't give a fuck about none of this shit. I just wanna be free, I just wanna be me. Born winner, the opposite of a sinner. Remember when I used to eat pork chops for dinner? Now I'm having visions of drop horses with spinners. Custom made denims like the tent on the window. Plus she don't care where I'm going long as I'm coming in her. And she can hold on to my hair while I'm taking her there. They thought I wouldn't do it, but I'm taking it there. And I don't give a fuck cause they don't give a care. I'm the man in the chair with his son by the right side. Plus my mama crazy, need to take her to the lakeside. I just wanna buy a big house with a lake by it. But she can't stay straight. Nope. Life is a circle, think fast or be slow, your whole life like a turtle. Pocket so fat the motherfuckers need girdles. You niggas chicken jack turtles. Number pussies like virgins. While I was pushing, you was splurging. With the pistol steady serving. Cause I be damned if I'm a servant, motherfucker.
MacVille folk, nigga. Memphis best kept secret.
Street banging trick.
Oh, Crunk City. Yeah. You say you want beef, all I do is eat steaks. Fuck around and make the shirt look like tomato paste. Spaghetti ass niggas, I'm all about bread. Fuck